Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the set minutes method. So what it does, it gonna set method for the specified date according to the local time. So what we can do is um just comment it out this, and now what we gonna do is just instead of get millisecond, use the minutes. So when we do that, it will give you the minutes. So it's 15, as you can see here. It's we already put it the 15. Now what we're gonna do is what I'm gonna do is just in the set millisecond, instead of set millisecond, I'm gonna put the set minutes. The what this the video is about, so, and just put like something like 30, and when we do that, it gonna give you the 30. So this is what it does. It gonna set the minutes. That means it changes to this, 15 to 30. So this is what it does. So hope you guys understand that. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.